Yosemite National Park 2026. You can see the water. It's very bubbly with white foam down there. Sorry, that's my can of coffee. You can hear it. It's very loud. I hope you can hear me. It's great. That is coming down from the waterfall into the little river. Here's the other side if you can hear me. This is really loud. I'm trying to speak really loud into the microphone. Here's the other side. It's really awesome. It's amazing here. And for people who may have never seen a waterfall or a river like this, here's what the waterfall looks like. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I'm going to slowly show you the waterfall. It's very windy here by the water, so I'm trying to be slow so you can see it. And you can hear it. Here it is. Wow. You can see that right there. It's like mist coming off the water. It's mist coming off the water. It's very powerful as it comes down the rocks, the granite rocks. That right there is granite rock. I'm trying to be super still without shaking. Wow, watch it go. Oof, this wind is powerful. And so is the water. It's powerful too. You can see it rushing. It's really flowing. I can kind of feel the mist on the water.